everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christy and I am a part-time reseller on eBay, Poshmark, and mercari, and today we have an unboxing. My last couple of videos have been some bin hauls from the Goodwill bin, and I'm just going to take a little bit of break because I was actually able to get another America's Thrift Supply apparel box, and I want to go through it. I'm not too optimistic. It's only 9 pounds, so it's probably gonna be a lot of really light like tops and whatnot, but we'll see. Hopefully it's really good. You don't think it's gonna be bad?
No, we just took a little sneak peek. Remember there was like a big jacket looking thing in there?
Okay, so it wasn't a jacket. Okay.
That's...
I'm gonna introduce my little helper that's over here. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay. That's my daughter. She's gonna help me pull things out so I don't have to keep looking down like I did in my last haul because she wasn't with me. So if you guys have never gotten one of these, it is a America's Thrift Supply box. Let's see. This time they did not put their sticker on it like they did last time. So I know, right? So it's supposed to be 10 items of...
Where did those come from?
I have a 15-year-old who just threw socks at us, so...
Really hard in the middle of a video.
It's okay, guys. We will continue on. So, America's Thrift Supply box is supposed to be 10 items in here. Let's see. I think I used the code again, so it was only it was $31. I did open this, so you guys didn't have to see me open it. She took a peek because she just had to do it. I didn't want to do it. She made me. So, we took a little peek. They are not wrapped in a bag like they have been a couple times in the past. They're just thrown here in the box. So I will give you guys a sneak peek of how it looked when it came to me. I haven't touched anything on the inside of this yet. So that is what it looks like.
What's in here? They're like...
Let's see. This is just an influencer code to get 10% off.
Never mind. I think these are all going to be like...
Yeah.
I think we're going to have 11 items.
Apparel Supply Mystery Box, 10 pieces for $21.25, $10 shipping. So total was $31.24. Yes, my sweeties.
I think we're going to have 11 items.
You think we're going to have 11 items this time?
Yeah.
Well, let's hope for 11 items. So, without further ado, we're going to get into what's in here. Give me an item. Vanna.
What did you call me?
She don't know that reference. For all of you older people in my audience, you will understand the reference.
Well, what did you call me?
I called you Vanna. So this is a men's shirt.
Oh, boo!
It is a brand that I have never heard of before. It is called Cigar Couture. It's a size medium. I do notice there is a stain on the back of the collar. Let's look at the front. So far I'm not seeing anything on the front. It almost feels like it's linen. So let's see. Oh, nope, just 100% cotton. So I've never heard of this brand, so I will have to look it up. But it's called Cigar Couture. That is a new one for me. Numero dos is this new. It is new with tags. It is called
Heavy.
Vintage. Yeah. It is called Vintage Italia. I don't know if this is a men's or a women's shirt. Let's see. Vintage Italia.
How do you open this?
I'm not seeing a size small. Yeah, I can't tell by looking at it if it's a men's or women's. What do you guys think? I know you can tell by looking at the buttons, but I always forget. Oh, and then also on the tag it has this here. I'm pretty sure it's probably men's, but I'm not 100% sure. Yeah. Okay, come on. Hand it over, crazy lady.
It's a dress.
No, it's not a dress. It is heavy. It's very heavy weight. It is like a jumpsuit. Is that another piece that goes with it? No, it's just a separate piece. Oh, that's cool. So it is a Ralph Lauren 2X sleeveless.
I want this.
Super long jumpsuit. It is also zippered in the back, and it's got this like keyhole detail in the front. I have never sold a jumpsuit by that brand, so hopefully theirs does well also.
So cute.
This is so cute.
Yeah.
Alright, this is from 7th Avenue Design Studio. It is kind of cute. It's just a basic black shirt. Bubbles, come on, quit getting ahead of yourself. It's got this like crisscross detail on the shoulders. Alright, well good. Hopefully it's good. So it's just this. It is a size medium. My nose is so itchy. Can you please, sweetheart, quit getting sidetracked? I know it's so hard. New York and Company, size medium. That's not the best resale brand, and it is not new with tags. So far I've only had one item new with tags, but it is cute, and it's got some cutout details at the top. I don't know if I said or not, but it is a size medium. Most of what's been in here has been medium or small. Alright, come on, hand it over.
This is broken.
Okay.
Wait, no.
That might not matter.
Never mind, it's not broken.
Alright, this is new with tags. Okay, it's from the brand Tease Me.
Who wants to be
And
teased?
this is a dress. It's a short mini dress, super sparkly. Let's see, sleeveless. And it says the retail price on it was $99.
It's really pretty.
And it's got like a tie in the back. It is
It's
really
short.
pretty. It's very short. I'm gonna guess it's a size small. Yep, size small.
But I don't have any boobs.
It says, oh no, size 3, not small. So size 3. And these are broke, but they're not, these are just to like hang it up. So I guess they're not broke.
Yeah, I'll
Just
say
the
we
one,
know, never
just-
mind. No,
No.
it's not broke.
Alright. Well, that's cute. Hopefully that's good. Never
It's
heard of
heavy
it.
too, and new.
Heavy two and new.
Heavy too, and
Oh, Chico's. Cool. Chico size 2, new with tags. Let's see. It is a dress. The retail price is $129. It's got these cutout detail on the sleeve, and it's just a very long maxi length.
comfy.
Probably very comfy. It's very stretchy, kind of like a t-shirt material for a dress. It's got the keyhole detail in the back with like a little button for that. So yeah, that's actually really cute. And it says it's a size 2,
You could wear it.
and
Right?
then that is the retail.
You could wear it,
I probably could wear it, but I do not like dresses.
but like for bed.
No,
Take
that's
that.
not something for bed. Alright, let's see. What is this?
Or do we? This?
No.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, so it says it's a size extra large. I'm thinking it's another men's shirt. It is called Barbas.
Barbara. Okay.
There's another
not
word
Barbara.
underneath of it that I can't
Where? What?
read.
S and S.
Yeah, I know. It starts with an S, but
T. G.
no.
N. A.
Yeah, I don't know.
T. I'm spelling it out for you.
No, because it wouldn't be STG. So that is that brand. It's an extra large.
Okay, I'm gonna keep looking at it. Then.
It's got a very weird, I wouldn't say weird, it's got a very patterned detail,
Weird.
and then it's got the sleeves, and the name of the brand is on the sleeves, so that's usually a better sign, but I don't know. It does have extra buttons, 100% cotton, so I will look that up. Also, with any of these brands that I don't know, if any of you guys have heard of them before, know if they're any good, have any information, that would be awesome to let me know. Here's another Ralph Lauren size 2X. Sorry, did I get you?
Yeah.
So it's another romper, or jumpsuit, not romper, jumpsuit.
It's really cute.
It's very cute.
You
It's a
could wear
2X.
You could wear
It's
that.
button up, halfway up, sleeveless. It looks like it probably was supposed to have a belt, but it doesn't have one anymore. It does have pockets, so that's always nice.
Always.
Always, right? Yes. Yes, Queen. Just kidding. I'm not gonna do that here. I know. So weird. Like, Mom, are you being weird? Ooh, another Chico's.
Weird.
Chico's So Slimming pants, new with tag. $100 retail. So yeah, what is it, size 2 also? Yep, also a size 2. Just a woman's so slimming trouser. So that was the last piece. That was actually a better box than I was expecting. I'm gonna guess only 10 pieces, but let's count because we always do. 1,
Yeah, after I
2,
started going through, I was like, wait a minute.
3,
4,
5,
Ah,
6,
there's 9.
7, 8, 9, and 10. So
Dang
10
it.
pieces, I know. But some of them were actually really good. So
That
hopefully that was a
dress.
good box. I will look up some of those men's shirts and see what the retail, or not retail, what the resale value is on those. What?
Can I show them my prom dress?
No. You'll be fine.
But we're
I'm
selling
not taking
it.
up that much time because I don't edit. That's the thing. I do not edit my videos. This is what you get. I say what I say. It is what it is.
But it's 10 minutes long.
I know. That's great. I love having nice, sweet, to the point, short videos. So, I would like to say thank you to all of you who have subscribed recently. I appreciate it. All of you that have left me some very nice messages, thank you. I am working to grow my channel, so if you do like this kind of content, please give me a like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And we will let you guys get on with your weekend and touch what?
Or week.
Well, I'm going to be posting this on a Saturday. So once you watch it, it could be next week. I don't know. But for me, I will get on with my weekend. Hopefully make some great sales, get some of this stuff listed, try to get it sold. And I'll talk to you guys next weekend. See you there. Bye.